Can this product really restore up to 1 year of damage on my hair? Well, yes, actually, I think it did. Let me show you my experiment with this. Kim Townsel here. Welcome back to my channel. It's free to like, subscribe, share this video, leave a comment. You can also subscribe to certain playlists that I have, and then you don't have to be bothered by anything that's on the channel that's not to your particular interest.
The L'Oreal Elvive Total Repair 5 is a damage erasing balm. I purchased mine at Walmart in March of 2018 for $5.97. It is supposed to help with split ends, weak hair, rough hair, dull hair, and dehydrated hair. I'll take some still photos of this so that the text is easier to read.
The product claims to repair 5 types of damages that we do to our hair. Again, split ends, weak hair, rough hair, dull hair, dehydrated hair. The container is about 8.5 ounces. There's the ingredient list. It's supposed to repair up to 1 year of damage to your hair in one use. I'm going to show you over probably a couple of weeks in this video. It tells you to leave it in for 1 to 3 minutes after you wash your hair.
This product smells great. I've been using the Loreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil shampoo and conditioner and really do like the way that it performs on my hair. This smells similar. Please excuse my nails. I'm doing a nail treatment on them. I can't do any polish on them. It's really thick, which is probably what my hair needs. It smells so good.
I just washed my hair and used the L'Oreal shampoo and what's left of the conditioner, and I've just blow dried it. I have not yet used the L'Oreal Elvive Mask Conditioner or Total Repair 5. So just wanted to show you a before and after. This is after blow drying, but I have not flat ironed it. So you can see it's not bad. This is still the part of my hair that's super damaged from bleaching it out last year, and then I had some hair breakage. So I've got like this hank of hair right here that looks like it's kind of layered, and it's really frizzy on the ends. So depending on how it behaves, sometimes I have to like curl this bottom part to get that to hide. But I'm really pleased with these two products because it's has greatly improved the condition of my hair and the way that it behaves. And I ran out of this a little bit faster than I ran out of the shampoo, so I thought, well, I'll just try something maybe a little bit heavier that's still in the same product line. I washed and conditioned my hair with this today. I have not yet put this on there, but I did blow dry it and flat iron it, so you can see what it looks like. It's pretty smooth. It still has like the ends that's damaged and stuff down here, but I'm able to style it and it looks halfway decent. I still have all these little frizzies on top that I have to deal with if I'm going to go out somewhere. But this is before using this. I just had my first use of the conditioner, and I'm very pleased. When I was in the shower, I could tell that it was more thick on my hair than the kind that's in the bottle, and I didn't have to work really hard to detangle my hair. It's so easy to comb. I'm looking forward to blow drying it and styling it and seeing how it looks, but the ends are like super damaged, but feels good so far. This is after the first use of this on my hair. I'm pretty wowed. I just blow dried it with a very old blow dryer. You can see that the bristles are almost worn out, and then a little bit with this to help smooth it down a little bit. I have a brand new blow dryer, but I didn't use it to blow dry my hair this time because I want to try to be as scientific as possible and show you the difference in the only change being using this conditioner and not making two changes in the way that my hair looks. So you can see it's not flat, but I had no trouble blow drying it. It wasn't like super thick with some of those thicker conditioners where it just seems like it takes it forever to dry. It feels great for that just to be blow dry with absolutely no other product on it. There's no oil, there's no, I didn't put anything on it before I blow dried it. And I'm going to go flat iron it, and that usually makes a considerable difference in my hair because my hair is super coarse. But I'm thrilled to death with this product so far, and I think that my hair is only going to get better as I continue to use it. Be right back. I've worked about 7 squirts of this in through my hair, and yours might be not kinky enough to go out like this without flat ironing it, but mine is not. So I've learned that it's going to still like kink up during the day. So it may not be the best practice, but I work that through my hair usually before I flat iron it for the first time, and then at night I sleep with it up on my head, and then normally the next day I can put a little bit of this on the ends and sometimes curl it, sometimes not. It just depends on, you know, what's going on that day. It'll be fine. Flat iron. Okay, it's flat ironed, and this is using the Elvive shampoo, this conditioner, and then about 7 drops of this extraordinary oil. Now, I'm not an expert at fixing my hair by any means, but I'm so pleased with these products. This is the best that my hair has felt in probably a year. Very pleased. It feels so good. It's finally growing out. Now that my hair feels so good and is remotely healthy, it's time for me to do something to screw it up or damage it, right? So I'm thinking about putting just a few highlights right here. See where it's like super gray? Just a few highlights, just a little bit, a little bleaching right here. Maybe right here. Because I'm thinking that this will take care of any damage that the bleaching out is going to do for it, and then help like kind of blend in the gray as it grows back in. Again! Anyway, loving this product. Loving it. This is what it looks like after the Elvive conditioner, after using a curling iron on it. So, looks a little bit better when it's curled because of the multi-layers and the straggly ends and things like that. But I'm super happy with the L'Oreal conditioning product so far. Very happy. I'm just vain enough at night. I try to trim a few split ends, and so after using the L'Oreal Elvive, I was getting ready to go to bed. I thought, okay, I'll just trim a few split ends, and honestly, I can't find any. So I'm thinking, even if just for a day, this conditioner has sealed up numerous split ends. That's pretty impressive. This is my hair after using this for the second time, I believe, and I've only used, and I blow dried it using my old blow dryer and this little wand blow dryer. So it's still pretty frizzy. But again, I had no trouble detangling it at all. No trouble blow drying it. Feels really good. This is the part that's usually so dry. You can see it's out of control. It has absolutely no other product on it other than this as normally used. So I'm gonna flat iron it, which always makes it look better. I'll be right back. Again, I'm gonna put about 7 squirts of this in my hands and run them through my hair.
before I flat iron it.
After I put the oil in my hair, I just brush it through before I do any flat ironing or curling using the curling iron. It does tame it down a little bit. There's probably better products to use before blow drying. Tell me what they are. And this is after flat ironing. It obviously looks better curled because of the layers and whatnot in it. I'm very happy with the improvement that this has brought to my hair after only a few uses. Very happy. Obviously it looks better curled, but I'm still very happy with it. I still have some hairs that stick out, but that's just the gray frizzies, and I don't think that this product's going to be able to handle that. I'm going to have to put more product on there to do something about that. But look at this. It's bouncy again. It curls. It's manageable. I can detangle it when it's wet. I can comb through it. I can blow dry it with no drama, no trauma, and that's all I can ask out of a over-the-counter conditioner, right? I'm very happy, very pleased. This is after my third use of the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil shampoo and the conditioner. And I put my 7 drops of oil on here, but I did something different today. I'm just at home cleaning house, so I didn't blow dry my hair with the regular blow dryer or flat ironing. I just got my pistol hair dryer and just basically tried to dry my scalp and then just let the rest of it do whatever it was going to do, so it doesn't look great. I wanted to show you what it looked like unstyled. It still feels pretty good. Still happy with this. Still very, very happy with this product and the other products that I'm using. And that is where I burnt my scalp with a curling iron because, yeah, I'm kind of klutzy like that. I don't know what this is. I cut my chin on something. This is after, I think, the 4th use of this, and also I colored my hair today. I put some of this on the roots and left it on for about 4.5 hours while I worked in the yard. I just did my blow drying thing and have not fixed it or flat ironed it yet. Still happy. This is after the 4th use, and we're all about to go out for Easter brunch. So it's rolled. Still doing great, and it just seems like I have a whole bunch more hair to have to deal with, which is, I guess, not a bad problem. Still love the product. Ooh. No hairspray. This doesn't have any product on it other than the 7 drops of oil that I put on it last night. I washed my hair yesterday, or last night actually, put the conditioner on it, rinsed it out, blow dried it, and then put the oil on it, put it on top of my head in a bun, then got up this morning. I didn't even flat iron it because I didn't have time. I just put a curling iron through it, so it's a little frizzy, but I'm happy with this conditioning product. Very happy. Let's go eat. I really do like the way that my hair feels. I'm very, very pleased with this product. I'm going to continue to use it. I've used it, I think, 4 times now on my hair. It's much easier to manage. It seems like I have more hair. Before I flat ironed it, and when I woke up this morning, it was like, woo, all over the place. This is Sunday night. The curls settled down a little bit. This is really what I wanted it to look like when I went out for Easter brunch, but whatever. Whatever. But I'm just super happy with the way that my hair feels. I didn't really think it could get to this level, but these products are really working for me right now. I'm very happy with them, and I ended up not bleaching my hair out, but you can still see I have that gray spot, so that's probably the next thing I'm going to do to my hair is just put a little white streak right through there and see what happens. So my final take on this is I really, really love this product. I've been using it for a couple, 3-4 weeks now, and that's how much of the product I've used. It doesn't really take that much. And after I wash my hair and rinse the conditioner out, I take my finger and just get a tiny, tiny bit. I'm telling you, like a tiny, tiny bit, and just rub it on my hands. And then I just put it on the ends of my hair, and don't rinse that out because my ends of my hair are so damaged, and so that I think that's helped as well. But I'm very, very happy with this, and it smells so good. It's easy to use. Just don't have anything negative to say about it at all. I really do like it, and I'm glad that I found something that works on my hair. Now I'm just gonna do something about this gray. I'm gonna touch up these roots, or either like bleach it out, because I think I'm gonna do that. Thanks for watching my video about the Elvive, however you say it. I know I'm saying it wrong. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, share this video if appropriate, and if you have anything else that you'd like for me to review that I should try, then let me know. In the meantime, bye. Love it. I'll have some cards coming around here if you want to see some more of my hair care experiments. There's also a whole playlist where I have beauty and grooming product reviews. There's a one for health and fitness reviews. So you can subscribe to a playlist by clicking the bell at the top of the playlist, and then you don't have to be bothered by any of the other things that are on my YouTube channel if it's not of interest to you. So until next time, take care of your hair. Bye.